When I think about New Year's cuisine, I always think about corned beef and cabbage. I'm going to show you how to make corned beef and cabbage pancakes. Grab yourself a bowl, add a cup of flour. I'm going to stir in 3/4 a cup of beef broth. Mix that until combined. 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 beaten eggs. I'm adding a bag of coleslaw and a can of corned beef. Be very careful opening it. It's very tricky. I've cut it up. Let's add it and then mix it all together. Grab your griddle and let's give it a spray. Add your dough and let's shape it into a 1/2 inch thick pancake. After 3 to 4 minutes, give it a flip. And then wait an additional 3 to 4 minutes. Top with some mayonnaise and some sriracha. Corned beef and cabbage pancakes. Let's try it. Wow! It's really fun. Love the corned beef and the cabbage. This is what New Year's about. My New Year's resolution is to read more, so I've turned on the subtitles on my TV.